Hi guys, welcome to BAi's channel. This is Maintenance Center. Today's topic is how to use 8-in-1 magnetic hook. First of all, you need to prepare all the following tools and accessories: magnetic hook, handrail, fabric, backing paper, and 3mm hexagon wrench. We will teach you how to operate step by step, and more operation instructions are below the video. Please click subscribe and follow us to learn more. If you are ready, let's get started. Step 1. Install the fabric into the magnetic hook and make sure the fabric is pulled flat. Step 2. Lose the screws of the magnetic hook. Special handrail. Install the 8-in-1 magnetic hook to the 8-in-1 special handrail and tighten the screws. Step 3. Loosen the handrail screws. Install the handrail to the X-rail and tighten the screws. Step 4. Install the 8-in-1 magnetic hook to the corresponding slot of the handrail of the embroidery frame. Step 5. Select the embroidering pattern. Select the embroidering color. Move the frame to observe the position and start the embroidery. Okay, this is today's topic. If you are satisfied with our content, please give us a follow and look for the more content from us. If you want to know more information on us, please click the subscribe and leave your comments under the video. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time.